Hi, let me show you how to change PIN code for SIM card on iPhone 16e. Firstly, we need to open settings on this phone and in here choose the section cellular. After that, if we scroll a bit down, we'll find this setting for SIM card. So before changing PIN code, we need to enable it by toggle on the switch. And here you need to enter PIN code which you got when you bought your SIM card. So enter it, click done, and right now we got available option to change it. So for that you need to enter your current PIN code first, click done, and now enter new PIN code. And confirm by clicking done. Then of course you need to confirm it by re-entering, tap done, and that's it. Now we just change it. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.